What's up, guys? So in today's video I am going to be making another bucket hat. I tried before, really 2 times before, and the second time I recorded it and this is how it turned out. Here it is. So we're at it again, but this time I'm using muslin. See how it looks. So I got my measuring tape. I'm gonna measure around my head, pull it tightly. Where like I give it 20. Here. 23, and then I'm gonna divide that by 1. 22. I already got everything written down, so I'm just thinking maybe I should speed up the video so it'll be a quick video. Okay, y'all. So I just want to see how this part looks. If it is okay, this is tight. Did I come in too much? What about the rim? Oh, well, maybe. Hold on, let's see. I don't know, this still feels tight. We're gonna see. I'm gonna see y'all. Going to So I don't know if I'm gonna post this, but it's finished. I tried to do the line thing. Probably could have just let that be. But okay, y'all, I changed my mind. I do like it. It did. Stop laughing at me. It was how I was wearing it, so it definitely came out right. Calvin, stop it. Here, put it up. Put it up.
That's good. You just gotta work on it. I want like more length on it, so it could be like one of them low things. I mean, one of them low buckets.
You got the side and the front.
But yeah, it's all about how you wear it though. Like, I thought I was like, but yeah, I want like something like that, like when it's low, so you can like flip that mud, or like play with the sides or whatever you want to say, cause you might be.
Okay. You get back my goddamn head. You too into it. Yeah, he told me how to wear it.
I mean, everybody wear different. Like, you can wear like JJ.
I want to go get me some fabric now. I'm gonna make it again just to like make sure. Girl, you couldn't wait. She the one. This is my model right here.
One.
Get up out of here, girl.